darkness. Sun Eve. Sun Eve. Sun Eve. Venus. Venus.
You were taught the reverse of truth. Every compass points inward to the Holy of Holies. There is only one way, blood over intent. Your blood over your intent to usher in heaven on earth for the benefit of all and release everybody from bondage. Post it publicly to YouTube with the rest of us for the world to see. Put your blood up or shut up, motherfucker.
Tell me what you gonna do to me. Confrontation ain't nothing new to me. You could bring a bullet, bring a sword, bring a morgue, but you can't bring the truth to me.
No escape.
I intend to bring forth heaven and earth.
The good guy is Satan.